The quality of leads is what matters really in your business. Like, you drive traffic to your website, you get leads, but at the end of the funnel, you find out that these are not qualified enough to increase the revenue of your business. So getting unqualified leads is actually something that ruins your business. But let us also start with two departments that may be actually not really friends. These are sales and marketing. Hi, I'm Valerie, and today we are going to speak about how marketing and sales can be friends forever. But before I share all the secrets with you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all the secrets among the first. So the main problem of a sales representative is working with the leads that are not ready to buy. So they're getting the leads into the funnel or the pipeline, they start calling them, they start working with them, and at the end of the day, they find out that the leads are not the ones who are going to get to buy, to subscribe, or whatever your business is about. So sales representative is pretty much disappointed. Now let us check the problem from the other side. Marketing department. Those people are really good at driving traffic to your website. So they start generating leads like crazy using different means and different methods and techniques. The KPI of marketing department is generating leads, right? The number can be crazy, but it doesn't matter whether they are qualified or not, whether they are actually ready to buy or not. That's what sales representatives are going to find out. So they are pushing the leads to the sales department, and sales department gets the pile of leads and starts working with them, like qualifying ready to buy or not, ready to buy or not. The problem is that the pile that is ready to buy can be really small, so that sales department is not motivated enough to continue working with the leads that marketing department is generating. The problem is marketing department and sales department are not synchronized enough so that the traffic is qualified, the leads are qualified, and the revenue is growing. So imagine a sales representative calling the leads all day long, almost 24/7, and not achieving their KPI. So they are not motivated to continue working and they're about to quit. While the marketing department just doesn't care. They've compiled 500 leads, passed to the sales department, and that's it. So marketing is like chilling and relaxing because they've completed their KPI. So they're fine with everything and they're just enjoying their time somewhere on the Seychelles. So we've defined the problem, and now I'm presenting the solution straight away. The first thing that the marketing department should do is getting a qualifying tool on the website or in the CRM or electronic CRM. Well, anyways, there is just one tool that significantly increases the number of qualified leads, and that's a chatbot on your website. Dashly chatbot is a great tool to qualify leads on the website within the snap of the finger. Like, you create a chatbot that starts conversation with the leads. So in other words, your sales department doesn't have to work on the qualification. Chatbot does everything for them, and sales representatives start working with those who are ready to buy. And they are not in conflict with the marketing department, and they are also completing their KPI. Everyone is happy and everyone is purchasing a ticket to the Seychelles, right? That was just one technique that you can adopt to make friends with your marketing and sales department. But here's the second technique. Your sales and marketing departments can just sit together and start checking all the leads they've generated throughout the week. So in other words, they should look into every lead generated by the marketing department and match these to the expectations of the sales department. So this is something that helps make your customer journey map really smooth, because the customer journey map definitely starts with the marketing department and finishes with the sales representatives, well, the product of course, but still these two departments build the very beginning of the customer journey map. So those people should work on the sales all together. They should listen to the calls, they should read all the chats, also play different games like, hey, I'm a customer and I'm a sales representative, let us try selling, let us try buying, let us frequently ask questions and bombard with all the objections, right? So here is the summary. Marketing department generates leads. Chatbot is something that is between marketing and sales departments, right? So chatbot starts qualifying all the leads, and the sales department gets qualified leads that are almost ready to be closed, right? Plus, the marketing department also should get the feedback from the sales department. So sales department should give all the information about the leads that have been generated by the marketing department, like who these people are, what companies they are from, what they want, what product they request, what objections they have. Because actually objections can be inbuilt into the previous part of the customer journey map, like landing page or some presentation materials or whatever. Yeah, but still, working on the leads is the collaboration between sales department and marketing department, and that's how you can get more leads, more sales, achieved KPI, and happier people working in a company. You can grab your chatbot straight away on Dashly website, 7 days for free. You can build your chatbot within just 15 minutes and start generating qualified leads today. See you in the next videos. Bye!